What's up guys, this is Sammy Geek back here with another video. Thank you for watching. Today's video I'm going to do a little bit of an unboxing and a quick hands-on of my very first Samsung Galaxy Fold 3 case. And yes, of course, as my name suggests, I am quite the geek with technology. So of course I had to pre-order a case here and get some hands-on with this. I'm hoping that it'll give me a little bit of an idea of what the Fold will feel like size-wise. And of course, I was just excited to see this inexpensive case and see what this thing looked like in person. So without further ado, let's unbox this and see what we have got. Pretty excited to take a look at this thing. So what this is a pretty minimalistic case with a little bit of a leather. So far, this thing looks pretty cool. What I'm hoping to do is exactly as you see here. I'm hoping to open this up and get a little bit of an idea of the size of the phone. So let me get this thing framed up here. Of course, it's like the Fold 2 as far as the size goes, but that is looking pretty good. So this case has there's a sticky, feels like a tape along this edge, which of course this is the front. Some nice protection here, and it's pretty thin for the most part. I'm guessing this is probably based on the model of the Samsung official case. You guys may have seen some images that just appeared, I think, today. It looks like the back here has another piece of tape. I'm guessing this is going to also, based on, if you look here, based on what I'm seeing from these edges, it looks like it should attach pretty well to the phone. I'm guessing you probably don't have to tape it. And if this is any indication as to what the Samsung official case is gonna look like, I'm sure that'll probably be a little bit softer, a soft touch material. This is kind of a hard plastic, but it feels pretty good for the most part. Probably a little slick, but overall, I'm sure it's no slicker than the phone. And the leather is actually not bad, if you guys can see that. I think this thing was about 10 bucks. So not bad at all. And of course, like for me, I really wanted to see what the size of this thing's gonna feel like. So I'm thinking that's pretty awesome. Let me try and put these together. See if I can sort of simulate the thickness of the phone, what it will feel like in the hand. And boy, I'm really gonna have to nerd out on this and tape this thing together to get the feel. But I mean, generally speaking, it really does feel like the Fold 2. But if it's a little bit thinner, which of course I don't have the Fold 2 with me right now, so I won't be able to do a comparison of thickness, but it looks like it should be pretty manageable. And it's really gonna be a nice one-handed phone. To be able to carry this thing with one hand like this, and then boom, open it up to the nice big display inside. The thing's gonna be pretty awesome. And I guess that's about it, guys. Just wanted to do a little quick unboxing here. And overall, this case looks pretty cool. I'm gonna have this thing ready to rock for day one. So for me, the big question, and you guys let me know your thoughts too, the big question is, should I go black or phantom white? Phantom black or phantom white? What is gonna look better? Silver behind this and silver along the side, or black behind this and black on the side? What do you guys think? Let me know, and we'll talk to you guys soon.